Redis is one of the most useful tools in a developer's stack, but only when you reach for it at the right moment. In this video, you will learn exactly when Redis belongs in your architecture. Redis excels at a specific set of problems: caching, sessions, rate limiting, leaderboards, and queues. What these all share is a need for speed, responses in under a millisecond at scale. Think of Redis as a fast lane sitting in front of your database. On a cache hit, the request never reaches your database at all. On a miss, you fetch from the database, write the result to Redis with a TTL, and return the data. Here we cache a product as a string with a 5-minute TTL, store a session in a hash with a 1-hour expiry, atomically increment a rate limit counter, and insert 2 players into a sorted set leaderboard, then retrieve them ranked highest first. When reviewing a PR that adds Redis, check 4 things. Every cached key must have a TTL, rate limit increments must be atomic, leaderboards must use sorted sets not lists, and never let keys appear in a production hot path. Redis earns its place when you need sub-millisecond responses. Keep your durable data in a primary store, use Redis as the fast layer in front of it, and always pair a cached key with a TTL.